Hello everyone, you're back with Honest Dave and I am excited about this trailer. First of all, look at this. I didn't think trailers could be sexy, but this is a sexy unit. This looks so sharp. Got your one plug-in for your generator here. Come around, we'll show you. Got your marker lights, signal lights on each fender, spread axle on this one. And this unit is decked out, let me tell you. I had a gentleman come in, brought his side-by-side to us, tried to put it in a 7 wide. Unique thing about this trailer, 7.5 wide. 7's too short, 8's too wide. I gotta get mirrors on my truck, not with this 7.5 wide. So you got an 82-inch spread here, 82-inch height. Any side-by-side is gonna fit in this. Best thing is, you can camp in this baby. You got your slide tracks here to tie down your machine. You got your cabinets in here. You got your cabinets up top to store your helmets in. Extra lighting. The 110 package allows your plugins here. If you want to bring a microwave, whatever you're doing, you're out side-by-siding, you're out camping, it will fit in this trailer. We have tried to load side-by-side in a 7 wide. We're pulling these out, trying to get them to squeeze in there. Could not do it. Custom ordered the 7 wide. The guy is so happy with it. You got your loading lights. Nothing worse than coming back from a day of riding and struggling to find where you're loading your truck or side-by-side. Anyways, this is Honest Dave. Review of the Alcom 7.5 by 14 full aluminum trailer. Come see me.